Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Today I'm going to share really delicious, quick and easy recipe of kheer. For this recipe you will need milk 1 liter, 5 tablespoon rice already cleaned, washed and soaked in water for 15 minutes, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, 20 almonds cut into short thin strips, 20 to 25 pistachio cut into short thin strips, desiccated coconut 1 tablespoon, sugar 8 tablespoon, curra 5 drops optional. Now add 8 tablespoons sugar into 1 liter milk and bring it into boil and mix it well that all the sugar get dissolved into milk, and also add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. Now milk is boiled. At this point I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons already clean, washed and soaked rice, but before adding rice into it, remove the water in which they were soaked and only add rice into milk and mix it well and let it cook with covered lid for 20 to 25 minutes so that rice will tender into milk and it will take thick, smooth texture. After 25 minutes, it is ready for further process. Now add desiccated coconut 1 tablespoon in it and half almonds and pistachio. And mix it well. Also I add few drops of curra essence in it. It is completely optional. If you like it then you add curra in it, and if you not like it then there is no need to add it into kheer. This consistency of kheer is absolutely correct. Now I will dish out it into serving dish, and remember it will take more thick form when it will become cool. So this consistency is absolutely right and I prefer to serve it cool. Although you can serve it hot also, it is absolutely on your taste. Now sprinkle rest of almonds and pistachio on the kheer for decorating it. Now this quick, delicious and easy dessert is absolutely ready to serve. Like if you like this recipe, comment and let me know about your opinion and share it with your family, friends and cooking partners, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious, quick and easy recipes. And if you want to watch this video into Urdu, then click this I button show up on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.